Hi, this is TJ Muehleman with a short Metabase tutorial on how to build a map based on a condition. For example, you wanted to show all of the states who are reporting data over the weekends for COVID. This is an actual use case that we're going to probably demonstrate here. So we store all of our data in standard data. So we engineer all of that, pulling it from various sources, storing it in standard data, doing a various number of calculations, and then Metabase to kind of build maps. So all that data is stored in a table that we call state case numbers by day, which allows us to look at history. So, wow, that's a lot of data. Obviously, we want to kind of filter that a little bit. So we're going to click filter up here, and we're going to pick date. So this is the date that the data was reported. And what we're doing is we're going to look for states who have reported 0 new cases on weekends. This does not necessarily mean they're not doing any data collection activities on the weekends. It just means they're not reporting it. And this is, again, not a scientific measure because we don't know why the number is 0. We just know that it's 0. So let's pick date. Let's pick between. So we're going to pick 2 dates, and we know that July 31st is a Saturday, August 1st. So those 2 dates, pick anything in between those 2 dates. If there's zeros in those 2 dates, so I'll click add filter. So this is going to bring back all of the data we have for those 2 dates. And you can see that we've got, certain states are reporting data here. So for example, where's the state name? Okay, let me just drag that. Hold on. It's another little Metabase doodad. So I'm just dragging the state over here. Okay. State. Okay. All right. So congratulations, Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Delaware, Hawaii, and probably a couple others who are reporting data on weekends. States with zeros are likely not reporting data on weekends because we all know Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana have had new cases on weekends, but they're simply not reporting it. So we just want to filter out the ones who are not reporting it. So we'll do another filter. So we're going to pick daily case change, 0. Oops, add filter. So now it's removed all of the states who are reporting data on the weekends. That would be the California, Texas, Alabama. And now we want to visualize that data. Okay, so click visualization, map. So notice that map is grayed out. And again, this is something Metabase does that I sometimes love and sometimes don't love. It grays out things it does not think are compatible, visualizations it does not think are compatible with your data set. For some reason, it does not think the map is compatible with this data set, which is fine, but it actually is. So I'm going to click map anyways. It's a region map, state by state, and not a pin map. The region we want to use is the United States. The metric field is the daily case change. So that's the numeric field. And then the region field is state. So here in blue are all of the states who are not reporting data on weekends, or at least at the end of July. Let's make that red because, wow, that's a lot of data. There's a lot of states. So here you go. That's how you do a very simple visualization based on some, a map visualization based on some conditions.